Hello developers, in this video I am going to solve a billing client error in an Android app. While implementing in-app purchases in your Android app, you might have observed this error in Android Studio. This error occurs mostly when you are testing the app on emulator. After integrating the Play Billing library in your app, when you run the app, you would have received this error. In-app Billing API version 3 is not supported on this device. Let's see how to fix this error. This error was received inside Connect to Billing System here, which means when we start the connection to Billing Client, we have received the error. Okay, let's see what does that error code means. When we go to Android developer site, we can see the different billing response codes. One of the response code is Billing Unavailable 3. These are the examples where the error may occur. The Play Store app on the user's device is out of date. The user is in an unsupported country. The user is an enterprise user and their enterprise admin has disabled users from making purchases. Google Play is unable to charge the user's payment method. So any of these might cause the error. But most of the times the reason would be the Play Store app problem. Either the Play Store app is not installed on your device or emulator, or Play Store app is out of date, or you haven't signed into your Play Store on your device or emulator. So first check whether the Play Store app is installed on your device or emulator. On device the Play Store is a default system app, so no need to check. But on emulator, if you don't have the app installed, then you must install the app in order to test the in-app purchases. I have already uploaded a video on how to install Play Store app on the emulator. You can watch this video to install it on your emulator. I will give the link in the description box. Next, check the Play Store app version and update it to latest version. Finally, check whether you have signed into your Play Store app using your Google account. If not, sign into Play Store. Make sure this email ID is added to your licensed testers list in Play Console for testing purpose. Okay. Once you sign into Play Store, now open your app and test in-app purchases. Yes, see, the connection is success and received the product details. So when you receive this error, in-app billing API version 3 is not supported on this device. Check whether the Play Store app is installed on your device or emulator and it is up to date. Then sign into Play Store and test your app with in-app purchases integration once again. Hope you could solve this error at your end by watching this video. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to iReka Tech Solutions. Thank you.